Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. My family exercises regularly so that we can be healthy. The correct option is B. Fit. Question 2. Our teachers have been teaching us about the importance of healthy living for a long time. Which word replaces the word teaching? The correct option is A. Educating. Question 3. Mr. Zach is ill after eating the overnight food. The correct option is B. Unwell. Question 4. We were all very sad that our old neighbor had passed away. The correct option is A. Died. Question 5. He was attended to without delay because he had lost a lot of blood in the accident. The correct option is B. Immediately. Question 6. Mother cooks healthy and good food for us every day so that we can grow up to be strong. The correct option is B. Nutritious. Question 7. Although Emma is fat, we are sure she will be able to reach a healthy weight. The correct option is A. Plump. Question 8. I am feeling very hungry, complained Alex. The correct option is A. Starving. Question 9. A balanced meal is made up of many types of food. The correct option is B. A wide range. Question 10. I try to reduce the amount of sugar I take slowly. The correct option is A. Cut down. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. I can go dash now as dad got me a bicycle. The correct option is B. Cycling. I can go cycling now as dad got me a bicycle. Question 12. The motorist dashed in pain when he fell from his motorcycle. The correct option is B. Groaned. Question 13. Mother buys 2 dash of bread every week. The correct option is C. Loaves. Mother buys 2 loaves of bread every week. Question 14. I dash 100 times a day to keep myself healthy, said Sandy. The correct option is C. Skip. I skip 100 times a day to keep myself healthy, said Sandy. Question 15. We all are happy that Gabriel keeps his dash of not telling lies. The correct option is C. Promise. We are all happy that Gabriel keeps his promise of not telling lies. Question 16. Don't take dash without a doctor's advice. The correct option is A. Medicine. Don't take medicine without a doctor's advice. Question 17. The snake moves by making its body dash on the ground. The correct option is B. Wiggle. The snake moves by making its body wiggle on the ground. Question 18. Father really enjoys dash as it allows him to sit quietly to think. The correct option is A. Fishing. Father really enjoys fishing as it allows him to sit quietly to think. Question 19. After missing his bus, Kevin had to dash to school in the rain. The correct option is A. Walk. Question 20. At age 7, Layla can already dash difficult maths problems on her own. Comment down the correct answer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.